Assalamu alaikum. So today our subject is English. We'll go to our next poem. The name of the poem is The Moon. Let's read it. Moon so round and yellow, looking from on high. How I love to see you shining in the sky. Often and often I wonder when I see you there, how they get to light you hanging in the air. Where you go at morning when the night is past and the sun comes peeping over the hills at last. Sometimes I will watch you slyly overhead when you think I'm sleeping slungly in my bed. By Matthias Barr. Now, we'll look into each line of the poem. This is the name of the poem. The name of the poem is The Moon. And here at the end, when another name is written, that is the name of a poet. So a poet name is Matthias Barr. The title of the poem is The Moon. Now, moon is so round and yellow. In the picture also you can see here, it's showing the moon is yellow and round. It's describing the moon. Looking from on high. Looking from on high is like from far away. The moon is on a height. We are living on earth, moon is very high in the sky. So looking from on high, looking from above, utni upar se dekhe to moon is looking round and yellow to the boy. Boy is known as a poet over here. Okay, how I love to see you shining in the sky. Here the boy is saying that he loves to see the moon in the sky. It is shining brightly in the sky. Often and often I wonder. Here you can see here OFT is given. OFT is nothing but the short form of often. Often मतलब बार बार हमेशा, most of the time. Often and often I wonder, यानी बहुत बार उन्होंने सोचते, क्या सोचते, what does he think, what does he wonder? When I see you there, जब उन्होंने, when the boy sees the moon in the sky, he often wonders and thinks that what does he think? How they get to light you hanging in the air. How they get to light you. Here they means something. He is thinking maybe there are some people or maybe there are some special workers who has the job of lighting the moon. By day he means because he's a small boy. Okay, how they get to light you hanging in the air. The moon is in the sky, it's in the air. How people are able to light it, who is lighting it? But we all know who does all those things. Allah does all those things. Okay, hanging in the air. Next stanza. Where you go at morning. Now he's asking a question. He's thinking, where you go at morning. Subah hone pe moon kahan jata? Where you go at morning. When the night is past. When the night is past means when the night is over. When morning comes, when sun comes out, where does the moon go? And the sun comes peeping over the hills at last. When we imagine any picture, we just imagine that these are the hills and mountains and sun is coming out from there. Yes, like that only this boy is thinking when the night is over, when morning comes, when sun comes out, where does the moon go? It's a question here. He is asking a question here to himself, or he is just thinking. Sometimes I will watch you slyly overhead. He's telling here, he's telling what he does. He's telling, sometimes I watch you slyly overhead. Here slyly means to do something secretly. Koi chori chori. When the boy is sleeping, he slowly peep out of his pillow and see the moon, like as if the moon is watching him. So he secretly watches him back. When you think I'm sleeping snugly in my bed. The boy is saying, when the boy is thinking that the moon is also watching him and the moon is thinking that the boy is sleeping. He is a small kid, his imagination we can say here. So he's saying, when you watch me from the sky, I am not sleeping, but I am secretly watching you also. Okay? So this is what the poem means. The poem is written by Matthias Barr. It is the name, the person who writes a poem is called as poet. Okay? Now you understood the meaning. Here also few important words are given. OFT is the short form of often. I already showed you here. Wonder is thinking. कुछ दिमाग में आया तो आप सोचते हैं ना, अरे ये कैसी बात होंगी, लाइक दैट. वंडर इज नथिंग बट थिंकिंग. पीपिंग इज झांकना. इन उर्दू विल सी झांकना बोलते हैं ना, उधर से विंडो में से मत झांको या डोर में से मत झांको, गेस्ट आए तो, समथिंग लाइक दैट. झांकना इज नथिंग बट peeping. Okay, here OER is given in the poem. O apostrophe ER, that is also a short form of over. Over the hills at last, that is the short form of over. Now slyly is to do something secretly. I already explained you this. Okay, overhead is something above the head. Now next last word is snugly. Snugly is comfortable. When you are sitting, when you are in your bed, comfortable with the blanket and the pillows, you feel very comfortable, warm, no? So snugly in my bed is nothing but comfortable in my bed. Now in the homework worksheet, I'll give you a few questions to answer them from the poem. Okay, just I'll give you hints. Who is the poet speaking to? Here the poet is a boy. The person who is speaking in the poem is a boy. To whom he is speaking? He is speaking to the moon. You frame proper sentences and write the answers. Second, what are the two things about the moon that the poet wants to know? Two questions he asked us in the poem. How they light you and where you go in the morning. What are the two questions that the boy is asking to the moon? How do they light you? How do they give you light? You are in the air. आपको light कहाँ से आती? And second, where do you go in the morning? Okay. Now for that, I'll give my practical answer that moon is nobody lights the moon. The sun's light will reflect on the moon. That is why it shines, and all that natural things are done by Allah. But for the next question, where do you go at morning? The moon will not go anywhere. It will be there only in the sky. It's just that when the sun comes out, the sun's light is so bright that we cannot see the moon and the stars. Now, next question, read this line. Looking on from high, who is looking? He's telling us to read the line. Looking from on high. Now he is asking, who is looking to whom over here? Who is looking? The moon is looking to the boy. The moon is looking, or the moon is looking to the boy. Next question, what does the poet do when he is supposed to be sleeping? What does the poet or what does the boy do when he is supposed to be sleeping? What he is doing? He is not sleeping, but he is lying in the bed and watching and staring at the moon and thinking some questions. Okay. Now last we have fifth question. Take the correct meaning of snugly. I already explained, and here also we are having, I'll send you the picture of both the pages. Snugly is like a snail, happily, warm and comfortable. We already learned here, it is warm and comfortable. Okay, this is how you need to answer the question, but while answering, please make sure that the sentences are proper. Okay, thank you.